There's some of the carnage from the tornado in Everett here. Oh yeah, you're right, Casey. That house did get demolished pretty good up there. That house got hit by a good tree. Oh, that car got hit, got the windows blowed out of it. Oh yeah, that shed got cracked pretty good too, didn't it? Holy cow. We still got the power crews over here working. More trees pulled down over there.
The roots just went right out of the ground.
Yeah, it did. Pulled the roots right out, didn't it, kid?
Sand under it, so maybe that was probably part of it.
Right.
That guy had a great idea.
Yeah.
Windows are probably blown out of that place.
Oh yeah, he's got the windows all taped up, don't he?
Yep.
There's trees down everywhere.
Dude, it's crazy. How long is this tornado going for?
It just came through.
Oh, look at all those apples everywhere.
I seen the apples everywhere. That whole pine tree's down there. Pine trees over here. That pine tree is ripped out of the ground. With that one laying up in the other tree. And that big old pine tree's tipped over there too. Pretty much missed the school and everything.